Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing Spanish movie app for your Fire Stick or Android TV device, which is free to use and pretty easy to set up. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your Fire Stick. And first of all, you will have to get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on the Fire Stick, open the search bar, and now start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and now here's the app which you need to get to your Fire Stick. But after you got the downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now to actually set up downloader on the Fire Stick, you will go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install non-apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is. Let's open it, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Hungary right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So go back to the list of apps on the Fire Stick, here it is, let's open it, and head straight into downloader. Open it up as well. And now what you'll have to do in downloader is open the search bar, and in here we'll be entering a link, which will be filmapp.app. So don't worry, and let's enter that together. Once again, it's filmapp.app. And here you go, there's the link which you need to enter. So just enter it exactly as you see and then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now when the website has opened, you just have to scroll it down until you see the Fire TV or TV box button right here. So click on Fire TV and then just wait for a couple of moments for the app to start loading. Or the different web page might open, which you have to scroll down and then click on that green button. So let's click on it, close down the ad if it pops out, and then click on this green button once again. And now the download has finally started. Usually it only takes a couple of seconds to download the app. Then you press on install and make sure that the app finally is installed to your Fire Stick. And after that, do not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. And now let's go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we open it. And there at the bottom you will find this new app which we just installed. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.